Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a person in a particular posture. So this is like a hunched over and slightly kneeling posture. Arc. So that's the shoulders. That is the pretty much the structure of the body build, because it's like bent over like this. And collar area, head somewhere around here, delt, chest area somewhere around here, and lower the ab structure somewhere around here, lower body, and we'll bring one thigh right up, knee, calf, foot, and we will be doing perhaps two different things with this guy here, with this leg, and for that matter with this hand as well. But we could go just that far, but right here, this I'm going to keep consistent, and for now, so we do this, that's the bicep area, the elbow, hand, the forearm, hand. So now that we've put that in place, we're going to draw a structure for this guy. I'm going that far on that hand, and that is the delt area right there. Chest, delt, bicep area, and for now what I'll do is I'll just do partly curled fingers like that. So this knee comes up right there, shin and calf, part of that is visible from this angle, and this is of course more visible, and we put down the foot on it right here. But then this goes back in the background. You can imagine that the thigh will be is like squished under the arm, of course, but it's going somewhere and ending up right here, going toward the groin area. And let's close off the body right there. So chest, ab structure, and this can even come inside, but it really depends on how much hunched this guy is. So I am doing what you call a happy medium between just enough and not too much. So I'm going to put in for now this guy's head right around here, and there's the middle of the face. So now with this thing here, we can do one of two things. So you could either, as it's like seen in custom, mostly in traditional design, that the knee comes somewhere around here, thigh goes upward into the groin, and then there's some foreshortening where the calf goes and foreshortening to show a bit of the foot. In this case, the arm is also customarily sitting somewhere here, so I'll bring in the forearm, put in the arm. Of course there can be variations, but that's one way of doing it. But then again, if you wish to do this like slightly differently, so in this case you could have, it's again like it's foreshortening, but you'll round off the glute structure right there, come in with the hip, go right there, put in the thigh to match this one somewhat, and then put in the calf structure, the foot going back, sort of like that. Of course it will be on the ground parallel to this, or it will either be set apart a little bit. You could set it apart and keep moving it in foreshortening and keep moving the angle and the placement of the foot. But in that case, this arm will, of course, if you want it to rest here, you'll have to restructure this, come forward. Actually, I should grab a different ink for that so that we can see this, hopefully see this a little better. And that one ran out, so I'm going to grab me a different one. So we just come in and place the arm right here. So that is the general idea, and of course the head, you could have him look like it can be drooping like really down, so hunched really low, this with the eyes starting there, nose, mouth, and or you could have him look here like so, you know, iconic pose, and it all depends on your preference. So a few things you could do in that particular hunched down and kneeling pose. So thank you for watching. Please let us have your comments. I hope that you have a lot of fun like drawing this. It's actually more fun than it even looks, so do try it out. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.